It is summer. It is a hot and sunny day. I want this robot, but it is expensive.
Look, Oliver! Lemons! We can sell lemonade!
Yes! Let's build a lemonade stand! I need a table. It is heavy!
I paint the table. It is yellow and pretty. A sign. Magic lemonade. $1. Wow, look at all those lemons.
We have many lemons. They are sour.
Mr. Whiskers likes them.
I cut the lemons. 1, 2, 3.
I squeeze the lemons. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze.
I add sugar. Sugar makes it sweet.
I stir the juice. Stir, stir, stir. Add some water. Now it is full.
I need ice. Ice is very cold.
Cold ice. It makes the drink fresh. I add mint. It smells good. Mint! It is delicious. Perfect lemonade.
Let's go to the beach. Time to sell. Look, our stand is ready. It's beautiful.
Wow!
Ready for customers.
A jar for tips. Thank you. I'm decorating the straws.
I have many cups.
Wow, so many colors.
They're perfect for the lemonade.
Yay, all done.
Grill gone. Hello, would you like some lemonade? Here is your drink. Enjoy. $1, my first money. Fresh lemonade, only $1. The sun is hot. You need a drink. Thanks. 1 lemonade, please.
I am busy. 1 lemonade. 2 lemonades, please.
2 lemonades.
Let's count the coins. 1, 2, 3. Keep the stand clean. I love work. You are a naughty cat.
Hey, get away from my coconuts!
Mr. Whiskers, help! Mr. Whiskers, a bodyguard. Good cat.
Yeah, you showed him.
The best bodyguard ever.
Your lemonade is the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Come again.
I will. Best on the beach.
We have a lot of money now. Yay! The wind! Come back, sign!
I use rocks. Now the stand is strong.
Wow, Lily, that's really smart.
See? All 4 corners are safe now.
Wow, look.
It is sweet and sour. I like it.
Glad you like it. The pitcher is empty. We sold everything. Time to clean up. Shopping is next.
Okay. All clean.
Great, let's go.
Let's go to the toy store.
Here is the robot. It is so cool.
Wow, so many colors. I want these paints. I love colors. This is the best. Can I get this, please?
Okay, let's count it together.
Is it enough? Please check, sir.
Of course. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And more to go. Perfect. We have enough.
We have enough money! Yeah, thank you so much! Hard work is reward. We are happy!
Hello, Oliver. Hello. I am your new friend. Look at Mr. Whiskers. He is playing.
I paint the sea, blue and orange.
We earned this! Success! The sunset is beautiful. I love summer. We are home. Now, let's cook dinner together.
Yay, what are we making?
How about spaghetti?
Yes, I love spaghetti. I washed the vegetables. They are red and fresh.
I like pasta. Pasta is my favorite food. The water is boiling. It is very hot. Be careful.
I stir the sauce. Stir, stir, stir. It smells good. I set the table. 1 plate, 2 plates. Done.
Mr. Whiskers! No, that is for our dinner. Dinner is ready. It looks delicious, Lily.
Yum! This is so good. I am very full.
We washed the dishes. Teamwork is fun. Sleep well, robot. See you tomorrow.
Time to sleep. Good night, friends.
I learned to save money. Learning is fun. Did you like my story? Please like and subscribe. Just click the buttons here on the screen. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.